Hello, everybody. Welcome to another edition of What Went Wrong Wednesday. Just kidding. Yes, I'm in week 11, 12 San Diego Code School full stack JavaScript program. And this is just a quick update of where I'm at. Last week I didn't do a video, so figured I'd do a midweek update. From the last time we talked, finished pretty much all the database stuff. Now I'm back in Node. So now it's, messing with a little bit of EJS, a little bit of data access layers, doing some CRUD operations, throwing in a little bit of Mongoose. So one of the biggest problems I had last week was I confused. So you have the callback function, which is request and then response. And the default is rec and res. For the put method and the post method, I had them reversed. I had res and rec. So obviously I was looking for, so we had some form data. We didn't have a front end yet. So we had some form data, use Postman to kind of send the data. The get method worked fine. I think even the post method worked fine, but it was the delete and the put method. So to update and to delete. So I'm looking for the requests, request parameters. Nothing would come up, undefined. Struggled with it for about a half hour. Still struggled with it for an hour, hour and a half. So I went and asked, and even the instructor was like, I don't know what's going on here. So, and it was the simplest mistake. It's those tiny little mistakes. And I should have figured, because, so you have requests.parameters, and it should give you all the parameters that came in. Or let's say request body. But res.body worked. And that should have clicked in my head. Why is there a response body? Why are the parameters there? So anyways, got that switched around. Everything was copacetic again, but it was just a struggle. And it's this tiny little mistakes, the tiniest little bugs in your code throw you off for hours. So finally got through that just by asking the instructor to look at it, and we got through it. What else? So yeah, we did some CRUD operations, threw in some Mongoose, so we had to initiate mlabs, which is part of Mongoose, where you can go to the website and set up databases there, so you're not running it on your local server. And mixing it in with CircleCI and Heroku. So we had set up all three and set up environment variables. So there was quite a bit of errors that would pop up, and you got to just squish one thing at a time. And yeah, it is a fun challenge. So yeah, that's where I'm at currently. Finished all of the Node stuff. Now I'm going back into React. So exciting times here. I think there's a weather app going on. I think there's going to be the movie database that we set up earlier in React or in Node. Now we're going to connect that to possibly make a front end for it and tie it all together, and then push it up to Heroku and have a fully functional front end and back end application. So I'm pretty excited for that. That is pretty much it. And flying through, obviously the databases and the Node, you kind of, there's not that much to it, or at least I didn't get stuck too much. But yeah, React should be quite a challenge now, getting back into it. So I think the first part is learning how to use state with Redux. So pretty excited for that. Other than that, thanks for tuning in, guys. Not giving up, going through the last stretch. Come this far, got to keep going. All right, see you later.